Who's ready? I'm ready. Who's ready? I'm ready. Hey queens, welcome back again to my channel. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Amma. Amma loves everything cute. So today's video, I am overwhelmed. I am so hyped to be trying the overhyped foundation of the moment, from TikTok to Instagram or Twitter and YouTube. It's everywhere. I literally have been on the waiting list for this foundation for about a month until I got it, and after ordering it, I waited for another 15 days. It came in yesterday, and I am very hyped and I was very excited to try it out. It's the Good Apple foundation balm from the KVD brand. It's actually the first time I'm using their foundation, but anyway, let's see how it is. This is actually what I use in creating this look at the moment. So if you want to see my thoughts, how it's blended, how it is, actually if it worth it, the hype and every other thing, then keep watching. And as well, if you like what you see, you love such content, you love this babe, you love this girl, go ahead and support by hitting the like, subscribe, and as well turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any of the upcoming videos. Let's see. It's the foundation. It's that of the compact. Actually, it's the first time I'm using such a foundation. And Balm, when I first saw it's Balm, okay, I said, okay, this is interesting. I might want to try it out. This retailed for $38, and the ounce is about 0.35, which I consider very, very, very little for such a price. But anyway, let's quickly get to a little details about this foundation. It said it's the good foundation, the Good Apple foundation balm gives you a fast, lightweight, full coverage finish and a fresh matte finish, which is okay, which is very exciting. You have a full coverage at the same time you're having a lightweight feeling, not dewy. It feels like skin. Okay, it's beautiful, full coverage that lasts all day. It covers blemishes. You got me, Cardi, bro. And it's not cakey, it's not flash, it's a flashback free. Okay, it said this foundation, it's a vegan foundation. It's infused with apple extract and sodium hyaluronate that helps nourishes and hydrates the skin. Like, it's the first time, and I love the way she did make a match, like comparing how to use, how you can actually get your shade, because it's the first time I'm buying the foundation from KVD, and she actually compared with other brands of foundation, so it was very easy for me to get. Hopefully it's gonna match, guys. I don't know, but let's see. It's gonna match. The shade is gonna be perfect, so I'm gonna try that first. Before that, I already did my eyebrow just to quicken things up. I'm quickly gonna head to use a primer. We don't forget that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a primer that I'm used to, because it's a foundation that I have no idea. This balm, I have no idea how it's gonna work, and it's a balm. So I'm gonna use my Oliver primer, this, and then I then would go ahead with my Benefit Pore primer. When you have all these things going on, you know what to do. Use a primer you are used to, so it's better to get or being satisfied with the foundation, the first impression stuff. So I'm going to be using my Real Techniques foundation brush. It's normally what I use anyway, but it's also good because it's dense. At the same time, it's not going to spread all over. It's not too big. It's on the average side, so I like it. I'm going to just go in like this. It's a balm, but it's a bit, for me, new and strange. Okay, it's very creamy. I did just use it around just to get a amount. I don't know how. It's full coverage, so probably this might be enough. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it directly to my skin. Let's see. Just a fast sweep. Okay, It's literally full coverage. Oh, this spots here. Okay, sold. Guys, yeah, see this? It's full. Okay, it's a bit. Let me just quickly add it. Done. Now I'm gonna concentrate on the shade. If the actual color, it's mine. I just wanted to be on just taking it step by step. The first, now the full coverage is checked. Now let's see if the color matches well and the shades and all that, if it does match well. Anyway, I'm not going to be too stressed about the color to my chest or to my neck, because we almost never got that. Okay, I think it's a bit, ooh la la. Oh guys, I forgot to mention, I got the shade, jeez, I got the shade 074 in tan. I forgot that. 074. This is what 074 is. Well, let me get this mirror closer. If I'm to see this, okay, wait. I am not so okay with the, but I think more golden would have been done. I don't know. Okay, let me blend it out first. Let me see if I'm okay with this shade or the tone or sort of the color. If it's okay, let me blend. Actually, so I still have enough here. Let's sweep off my forehead. No, anyway, I don't think it matches so well with my neck. The color shade actually match well with my neck, but I'm not concerned about that, because most times I don't get it, apart from the Fenty Beauty that actually matches well. But I think it's gonna be workable. I think this is more a yellowish on that, golden, that stuff. But actually the 074 that I got, it's closer to me, because the 72 is too orangey and the 78 is definitely going to be too dark. So this is the best one that could work for me. So I'm going to just work on it anyway. So let's get it up. I think it's buildable. You can build it up if you want, but I didn't actually need it because it already did what I wanted the foundation to do for me, like covering up one's coverage to those impurities and blemishes or whatever. If you ask me, I think it's a full coverage. It's like I'm feeling now it's not really heavy on me actually, but because it's full, maybe that's why I'm feeling that inch. No color correcting, no build. I don't need to build. My skin is just okay. It blends well. It's not, there's no patchiness, and it actually feels wow. Okay, for so far I think I love the coverage. I think I just love how just once it covers everything, and I'm not really feeling that heaviness, but not really lightweight. I can feel I added something on my face, but it's okay, I would say. So let's build everything up. Let's see how it's gonna blend with other product like the powder and every other thing, how it's gonna result at the end. And after that, I'm gonna go out to see it on the natural light to see how it's blended well. If I am not okay on my smile lines, anyway, let's set this thing up. Let's set it up, everything. I would just quickly skip this part, but you just see how I'm gonna do it, but skip this part to just keep time. Okay, yeah, I definitely go with the beauty blender. It's really did a bit of magic. It's kind of make it more flawless and skin look now that I used a blender to finish up the look. So I think this is a plus to try out. Okay, now I'm having that natural look instead of that foundation dewy look. So let's finish the look up. So if you ask me how I feel about this foundation, I would say I have a little yes and no issue. But first thing I did after finishing up with the setting spray, I went outside, but I couldn't get the real what I wanted because it's rainy and cloudy at the moment, so I didn't get that broad daylight feeling that I really wanted to see if I would get anything of the obvious. But so far it is matte. It looks very matte. It's not cakey, but if you are a dry skin person, you really need to hydrate your skin very well. Even if it's a hydration foundation, it's a matte finish that is so clear. What I'm not, but also I'm clear with, what I'm happy with is the full coverage. Like just once, you don't need to build and build and build. It covers up blemishes and all my things that is going on underneath me that just got it covered. I am hyped over that. And what I'm actually not hyped about is the color tone or whatever skin tone that does not really give me. I feel that kind of a grayish look. It's not giving me my yellow golden tone, even if actually it looks, or on the description is like under that golden undertone, but I really actually don't feel it. And I kind of go to 072 because it's reddish. Maybe I will go a test, maybe one of these days if I'm in Sephora, I will try the 076. This does exist, I think it does exist. Or probably just match two of the color shades together, probably I might get what I want, but I'm really not feeling that color or the tone that is giving me. I'm not concerned about the neck or the chest, but just what I see now, it's not giving me that. But does it actually work as well? It worth it if you want to add it to your foundation. I mean, this is the first time I'm using KVD product, I mean foundation, so it's not a bad idea adding this to my collection. It's a full coverage, which I like, especially when you have these things going on. You want to have something to fully cover them up without thinking twice. Like I said before, the eavesdrop, I love that finishing, I love that color range, I love that tune more, and everything about that, I prefer that than this. I don't know, it's hype because of the coverage and all that thing. I don't really feel that heaviness as well on this one, but it's just the color and that I'm really not feeling. So maybe I'm gonna try it again and see how it's gonna be. Anyway, so that's entirely my honest review, my honest thought about this hyped foundation. It's okay, it's good if you want to add it to your foundation collection. So that's literally all. And as well, what I don't really appreciate, what I don't really give a check with this foundation is the price. For 38, 0.35 odds. For 38, it's I think it's on the high side, I would say. All the same, we tried it, we like the coverage but not the color. But it's okay. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it, and if you have tried this foundation or as well you want to try it, let me know down in the comment section. I see you again in my next video, and please don't forget, before you just roll out, just touch that subscribe, ring the bell, and as well and like this for this video to promote your girl. All right guys, see you again in my next video. Stay safe.